Alliance for Water Stewardship Certification Consultancy by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Water is one of the world's most precious natural resources and a critical component of every industry. As climate change, water scarcity, and increasing stakeholder expectations continue to impact businesses, responsible water management has become a strategic priority. Organizations are now expected to go beyond regulatory compliance by adopting sustainable water stewardship practices that protect water resources while improving operational performance. On today's video, we will discuss the Alliance for Water Stewardship certification, its importance, benefits, implementation process, and how your organization can successfully achieve AWS certification with the support of URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. What is the Alliance for Water Stewardship? The Alliance for Water Stewardship is a globally recognized framework that promotes responsible water use and sustainable water management. The AWS standard helps organizations understand their water usage, identify water-related risks, engage stakeholders, improve water efficiency, and contribute positively to the communities and catchments where they operate. Rather than focusing only on reducing water consumption, AWS encourages organizations to become responsible water stewards by balancing environmental, social, and economic needs. AWS certification demonstrates an organization's commitment to sustainable water management and responsible environmental practices. Why water stewardship matters? Water is essential for manufacturing, agriculture, food processing, pharmaceuticals, mining, power generation, textiles, and many other industries. Challenges such as water scarcity, climate change, increasing regulations, rising operational costs, stakeholder expectations, ESG commitments make effective water management more important than ever. Organizations implementing water stewardship practices improve operational resilience while protecting natural resources for future generations. Benefits of AWS certification. AWS certification provides numerous business advantages. These include improved water efficiency, better operational performance, reduced water-related business risks, enhanced ESG performance, stronger environmental compliance, better stakeholder confidence, improved investor confidence, sustainable supply chain management, enhanced corporate reputation, contribution to sustainable development goals, better water governance, long-term business resilience. Organizations with responsible water management practices are better prepared for future environmental and regulatory challenges. AWS Consultancy Services by URGS. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides comprehensive AWS consultancy services including AWS gap assessment, readiness assessment, water risk assessment, catchment context assessment, water stewardship strategy development, water governance framework, water balance study, water efficiency improvement, documentation development, internal audits, employee training, awareness programs, certification readiness assessment, certification coordination, controls improvement support. Our consultants work closely with organizations to build practical and sustainable water management systems aligned with AWS requirements. Industries we support. Our AWS consultancy services support organizations across numerous industries including manufacturing, food and beverage, textile and apparel, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, mining and metals, power and utilities, automotive, electronics, semiconductor, paper and pulp, agriculture, infrastructure, industrial parks. Every organization that uses water as a critical resource can benefit from implementing the AWS standard. Our implementation approach. Our consultancy follows a structured implementation process. Step 1. Understand your current water management practices. Step 2. Conduct AWS gap assessment. Step 3. Identify water-related risks and opportunities. Step 4. Develop a water stewardship strategy. Step 5. Prepare documentation and operational controls. Step 6. Train employees and build awareness. Step 7. Conduct internal audits. Step 8. Support certification readiness. Step 9. Assist during certification. Step 10. Drive control improvement for long-term sustainability. This structured approach helps organizations successfully implement AWS requirements while improving operational performance. Why choose URGS International? Organizations choose URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited because our experienced experienced sustainability consultants, practical implementation approach, industry-specific expertise, end-to-end consultancy support, internal audit capability, training and awareness programs, commitment to control improvement, customer-focused solutions. We help organizations transform water management into a strategic business advantage. At last, conclusion and call to action. Water stewardship is no longer just an environmental initiative, it is a business imperative. Organizations that invest in responsible water management strengthen operational resilience, improve ESG performance, reduce risks, and build lasting trust with customers, regulators, and stakeholders. If your organization is planning to implement the Alliance for Water Stewardship (AWS) standard, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support you throughout your certification journey. Contact us today, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more professional insights on sustainability, ESG, ISO standards, certification, auditing, inspection and environmental excellence. Thank you for watching. We look forward to helping your organization achieve sustainable water stewardship and AWS certification.